Tripura's Governor Indrasena Reddy Nalu on Thursday launched the Jan Jankari Dhyan TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan at the Raj Bhavan. This initiative aims to build a TB-free India. The event, organized by the National Health Mission, was attended by the Governor's Secretary UK Chakma, Mission MD Saju Wahid and other dignitaries.
I would request all to please esteemed guests of this. Deepa Jyoti Param Jyoti, Deepa Jyoti Janardana, Deepo Haratu Me Papam.
As the chief guest, Governor Indrasena Reddy Nalu formally inaugurated the Niksha Mitra initiative. In his address, the governor praised Tripura's technological advancement, stating that the state is ahead of many larger states in technology, citing the implementation of a paperless assembly and the e-Panchayat system. He also mentioned that modern technology is now being used in the health sector, which will further aid the TB-Free India campaign.
TB Mukta Tripura. Tuberculosis is a centuries-old disease, continues to affect thousands of families across our state, particularly in our tribal communities and economically weaker sections. And I stand before you today with full confidence that through our united efforts, we can and will eliminate this disease from our soil. Tripura has already demonstrated remarkable commitment in our fight against TB. Our healthcare workers have achieved a treatment success rate of about 90%, and we have established advanced diagnostic facilities in our districts. The Nikshay Poshan Yojana has provided nutritional support to thousands of patients across the state. Just now, Vahidji told that the patients they are getting 1,000 rupees for cure every month for best food, and also free treatment. And the persons generally क्या होता है, 2 दिन में डॉक्टर के पास जाता है तो काफ कम होता है, काफ कम होते ही मेरा सुधर गया बोल के घर में बैठते हैं, मगर वो नहीं है। वो कंटिन्यूअसली 6 महीने तक ये मेडिसिन लेना पड़ता है। तो 6 महीने तक कंटिन्यूअसली मेडिसिन उसको इंसिस्ट करके दिलाने वाले जो है, उनके हेल्प करने वाले, उनके बीबी हो या बहन हो, बेटा हो या आंगनवाड़ी टीचर हो, उनके लिए भी अलग पैसे देने का सिस्टम है। इसको एडवांटेज लेके परमानेंटली ये क्यूर करने के लिए सोचने का है। However, with still more new cases reported annually, we cannot afford to be complacent. The time for the decisive action is now. What makes me particularly hopeful is our unique community-based approach. rajbhavan.tripura.gov.in ये इसके नाम से कोई भी कहाँ भी राजभवन का एक्टिविटीज देख सकते हैं। इसलिए आज ये राजभवन का URL जो है ये शुभारंभ करे हैं।
Report by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.